Today I'll show you a website that you can use to make money in passive income again and again. It depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this to get the desired results. It works worldwide and also it's absolutely free, so anyone can join, even beginners who have never made money online before, because no specific skill is required. In order to set it up properly, make sure to keep watching till the end of this video because I'll explain it to you step by step. But before we start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Mary and Editing with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new video on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then give it a thumbs up and a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And your very first step is to come over to this website, and this is called Digistore24 and it's over at Digistore24.com. Here with this platform you can become an affiliate and promote different products, because this is like an affiliate network or an online sales platform. So there are a lot of products here listed. You can get the affiliate link of each of them and you can promote it however you want in order to make money in passive income and also again and again. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can set them up. So you're going to see here that Digistore24 has reviews from Trustpilot with 4.7 stars and more, or almost 4,000 of reviews. So this is a legit platform and it's going to get you paid. All you need to do to get started is to click on the register now button in the upper right corner, and in the next page it's going to show you the sign up process. You need to sign up as an affiliate. You need to put a username over here, then an email address, repeat the email address, put a password and then repeat the password. Then you have some personal information. You have some of these fields that are required, such like the name. The title is not required, but if you want you can put it. Also the company is not required. You have the address, the country, which is available all around the world. Then you have your phone number and also Skype name, and then you need to agree to their privacy policy and terms of conditions, and then click here on register for free now. Once you do so, you'll be able to go over to the marketplace, which is also shown up here, and it's going to show you all of the products that you can promote. So you have also categories here. You can choose from different categories like animals and pets, computer and internet, education, fitness and health, food and drinks, photography, services, social media, software, and so on and so forth. And per each of this product you have like a particular description to know more about it, and also you're going to see how much money you can make, the commission, and some other information. You're going to see the sales rank, and the first one here is also the number one on sales rank, so it got a lot of sales. That's why I recommend you promote this one, and also I'm going to focus on this one today. We need to promote this product which is about weight loss. So we need to find also people that are going to be interested in losing weight. They are going to be interested in using this product so they can buy it from our affiliate link and we can make money again and again. So I'm going to show you how you can set that up in order to make money in passive income. So as you can see, these products have like this promote now button underneath, so you just need to click on that button and it's going to give you immediately your affiliate link. And the thing is that you can do this for all of these products here. As you can see, I've got the affiliate link of this one, so you just need to click on each of these products in the promote now button to get your affiliate link. So this goes for all of the products that you want to promote. So it depends on you, on the niche that you want to choose. You have all of these categories in the left hand side, but also you can search and sort these products by popularity, earnings. So if you want to earn the most money, you're going to sort by earnings / sell. So you have also different sort by, so you have publication date and sales rank, but the sales rank is better because it's going to give you products that have got the most sales. So it means that people love to buy that product, and you have like almost 500 results. So there are a lot of products that you can find over here related to any niche. Anyhow, we focused on the first one, on this one here, Meticore. So it is about weight loss, and we need to find people that are going to be interested in that particular topic, so they want to buy this product so they can lose weight. What you can do is to go to different forums, about weight loss forums or groups over social media, and you can find people there. Or you can also use this kind of platforms like Reddit or even Quora, which is a similar one, and this is like a kind of website that people come together here and discuss about different things. They can ask questions and other people can answer, or you can even ask and answer. It depends on you. So what you need to do is to go over to the search bar, and you can search for how to lose weight fast, for example. And you have a lot of people here that ask about this kind of questions. They want to lose weight fast, so you're going to help them, and by helping them you also make money by yourself, which is like a win-win situation. What I recommend you do is to sort these comments by the past month, so you have like some recent comments, and you can find people that recently want to lose weight. So you have these people here that have posted these questions like 22 hours ago or some days ago, and what you need to do is to just communicate a little bit of them, engage with them, and then you need to just tell them some ways to lose weight, but also you can recommend them a product just like this one here, Meticore, so they can try it and they can lose weight. You can also say that you have used it by yourself, or a family member of yours has used it and it works. So also you're going to put your affiliate link next to that, and you're going to do this for all of these questions, but just you need to make the answers different, so it may not look that you are spamming people. So just change a little bit your answers. You need to communicate and engage with all of these people in order to make it more believable, and also to not make it obvious that you are promoting something. And the thing is that your answer is going to stay here forever, and people that are asking this kind of question, they can see your comments here, just like these people are commenting, and they can find your affiliate link, they can click on it, and you can make money and passive income again and again. But since on your affiliate link it's going to be obvious that you are promoting something, because it says the name of the website and also your username, what you can do is to go over to a platform like bitly.com, which helps you to shorten links, and your link can look more professional, and also it's not going to make it obvious that you are promoting something. So you just need to come over here, you can paste your link in this box, then click on shorten, and it's going to give you immediately your bitly shorten link. Like this is going to look more professional, and it's going to increase the possibilities and chances to make you more sales. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Marian Editing. Thank you for watching.